Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to preview your projects before exporting on Instagram Edits. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this helpful, do not forget to subscribe and like this video. So now let's begin. First, you will be needing to start a new project or just continue working on your current project. And in my case, I'm just going to click on this plus and choose these several clips or media. I'm going to click on done, and from here you will see my timeline here. So I have these three elements, and I'm just going to add such transition. I'm going to add this one for this video or these two clips, and I'm going to choose some kind of other transition and click on OK. Now to start previewing, you will need to simply click on the play button that you will find here on the left, and by clicking on it you will be able to preview all your editing. So you can simply collapse the timeline so you can have a better view, and then click on play. Now you will start seeing all the effects. All we added is transition, so now it needs to show the transition on our video. So let's just go back again and let's preview it, and simply it will show us the transition that will be working completely fine. And as you can see, now the transition are showing for our video. Also, we have added another transition to the second two clips, and then it will be showing here on the preview. And now if we have simply exported the video, it will be exported with these two transitions that we have previewed now. So you can simply at the end click on export, and you can share it after that to Instagram, etc. So thank you for watching and see you next time.